here to pull triggers. We're actually here to push triggers. We're out here with Iron Horse Firearms. This is their proprietary lower. Safety is right here on the side, as you can see the silver piece right here. Bolt catch is still in the same place, so is the mag release. But if you notice, there is no trigger. The trigger is actually on the back of the actual firearm itself. Let's go ahead and check this out. You can see the actual silver lever in there, and it's not a push forward, it's actually just a push down. You see that? We're doing it with the thumb.
But still have some aluminum in there for absorption as well.
Yeah, we're good. Perfect.
Hang on, Ray.
Oh, you can feel it over here more than you can up there. Yeah. Yeah, because it's coming out.
Woo! That was just barely in front of it. I buy the military surplus, and I'll just make it hollow points so that looks better on the water jugs. The stand.